Welcome back to the channel. Just want to show you some of the parts that I'd gotten. I mean, no big deal on the one. It's a oil filter with a nut on top, some new spark plugs, louvered air filter cover and air filter, the bracket, and from CV Performance, as you can see, a CVP Deluxe Tuner's Kit for the CV carburetors. Of course, again, the weather hasn't quite worked out with me, and of course, without having any kind of shelter or anything, that I haven't been able to really work on the bike. But today, what we're going to try to do is I'm going to try to get the battery in, get it started, get it moved from the back to the front. As you can see, it's still sitting in the back, still covered. Another reason why I haven't really been able to work on things, I do actually have a regular job, but I am hoping that I'll be able to actually start working on the vehicle, on the bike really soon. Just waiting for actually several days of non-rain to happen. So instead of boring you with putting the battery in, I'm going to get the battery and see if we can get this thing started. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the installation of the battery. So I'm going to put you down here and let's get started. All right, as you can see, can't really see it. Battery's installed. Now let's see if we can try to get this thing to fire up. All right, we got her. Oh. So you can see she needs a lot of work. Well, kind Kind of depressing. I was not able to get her started today. At least not right now. The battery died on me. As I said before, she definitely needs a lot of work. So what we're going to do is see if we can try to give her a good bath. Then I'm going to put her up on charge and see if we can get it charged up and see if we can move it later. There we go. All right, so got her washed. She's not 100%, but she is much definitely cleaner than she was. So I'm gonna get the battery up on charge, see if I can try to get it started up so I can move it from the back to the front. So I'd like to give you a little bit of rundown on exactly what I want to do with the bike. Of course, definitely want to get it back to OEM. No, not necessarily per se. Definitely want to give her a paint job, work on the body work. That's what a majority of it's going to be. I definitely want to get these new parts installed. There are some other parts that I would like to get for it, but that can come in time. Definitely want to get rid of a lot of the chrome on it. I'm not really a chrome kind of guy. Just too hard to take care of in my personal opinion. But, you know, other people, other Harley riders, they like chrome. Yeah. So, we're going to get this thing up on charge, see if we can try to get it started up later. I'll make another video for that. And, yeah, I do want to apologize for the little bit of deadness in there. I don't have a working hose to wash it properly, so I had to get buckets of water. But a lot of that will probably be cut out, so. All right, well, until next time.
One eternity later.
A little bit ago, and she wouldn't start, so gonna have to wait till another day to try to get her started and what have you. So I guess it's gonna be the end of the second video. So hey, if you like the channel, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Hoping to have as much content coming as I can. All right, keep living those dreams. Peace.